Hello everyone, welcome to our page comgan.com. Here in this video, we are going to share with you all business studies project on marketing management for class 12th. As per CBSE guidelines, this project can be made on any of the products. So we have chosen fruit juice as our product for this project. To download the PDF version of this project, please visit our website, that is www.comgan.com. So let's have a look on this project. In this project, we have introduced a new brand of juices, that is Phalaras. We have also given a tagline for the product, which is Phalaras, a bottle of health. The project starts with company profile. Here we have given an introduction and a brief details about the company. We have also designed a brand logo. Then we have stated the reasons for choosing our product, that is Phalaras fruit juice. In the next section, we have given a brief description of the product, specifying its features, quality and other specifications. Next, we have made a SWOT analysis of the product. This includes strengths and weaknesses of the juice and opportunities and threats related to it in the market. In the next section, we have highlighted the unique selling propositions, that is USP of our product, that makes it different from the other products which are already selling in the market. Post that, we have done competition analysis of the product. We have also identified 5 different competitors that are already present in the market. Next, we have described 4 P's of marketing, that is product, promotion, place and price. We have also identified our target market segment. Next, we have done grading of our product. Furthermore, we have identified and described the distribution channels and advertising strategy for our product. We have also drafted the cost-effective techniques which will be used for promotion of Phalaras fruit juice. Post that, we have explained about the pricing strategy of the product. There are some licenses and permissions required for manufacturing and selling the juice, which are elaborated in next section. Next, in sales promotion strategies, we have explained about the promotion strategies, transportation from place where the product is manufactured to the point of sale where the product is sold, and warehousing of the product in companies' godowns. Next section is about packaging and labeling, where we have designed an attractive package and label for our product. Lastly, we have concluded our project with a strong social message. So as you can see, we have completed this project covering all the topics as per CBSE guidelines. Hope you like our project video. Let me tell you once again, you can download the PDF version of this project from our website, that is www.comgan.com. Thank you all for watching our video. Please do share and like our page. For more CBSE projects, please subscribe our YouTube channel Comgan. Thank you and Have a great learning.